Okay, what if I told you that you could keep an extra $1,000 a year in your pocket? Just think about that for a second. What would you do with the money you could save right now, literally today, just by ditching unnecessary software subscriptions and stopping the outsourcing of all those routine, mundane tasks? Well, welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're going to unpack exactly how you can make that happen using tech that is already right at your fingertips.
$1,000. That is the very real financial benefit we're talking about today. Because honestly, most people out there are still paying for tools they don't even need. They're just draining their budgets month after month out of sheer habit. So in this explainer, I'm going to show you how to save hundreds of hours of your valuable time and keep over $1,000 annually, all by just pivoting to a smarter way of working.
All right, let's dive into this. We are exploring the 10 AI tools that save you $1,000 a year. We're going to look at 10 incredibly powerful platforms that have just completely changed the landscape of productivity. These tools are designed to help you work significantly smarter, create content way faster, and, most importantly, spend vastly less cash. Get ready, because these are absolute game changers for your daily routine.
Here is our quick roadmap for this explainer. First, AI writing and communication. Second, visuals, video, and audio. Third, research and organization hubs. And finally, the ultimate integrated workflow. Let's get right into it.
So, let's start with our first category, AI writing and communication.
Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is ChatGPT. Now, what makes this tool so vital is just its sheer versatility. Whether you need help drafting a tricky email to a tough client, brainstorming fresh marketing ideas, writing code, or even learning completely new skills from scratch, ChatGPT handles it all in minutes. Instead of hopping on freelance platforms and paying somebody hundreds of dollars for small admin tasks, this AI gives you instant, really high-quality results. It's basically like having a highly capable assistant sitting right at your desk ready for whatever you throw at it.
Skipping down our list to number 8, we have Grammarly. Now look, this isn't just a basic spell checker anymore. Grammarly acts as your dedicated professional editor. It instantly rewrites clunky sentences, drastically improves clarity, and guarantees your writing has that perfectly professional tone. If you're sending out important client emails, polishing up a resume, or drafting critical business documents, this tool saves you from the embarrassment of typos and entirely removes the cost of having to hire a human proofreader.
Jumping ahead slightly on our writing category to number 4, we have Claude. Think of Claude as your advanced 24/7 professional writing partner. While other tools are great for quick emails, Claude is specifically built for the heavy lifting. It excels at deep analysis, parsing through long, complex documents effortlessly, and handling intricate coding projects. It is an absolute powerhouse when you need detailed, nuanced writing and analysis, completely bypassing the need for pricey consultants or researchers.
Moving right along, next up is Section 2, Visuals, Video, and Audio.
And this really illustrates the core difference we're talking about today. Think about the old way, relying on expensive graphic designers and bloated, incredibly pricey software subscriptions that take literally months to learn, versus the new reality, using accessible, intuitive AI tools. You just no longer need to shell out thousands of dollars for high-end visual assets when you have these tools right at your fingertips.
So, back to our countdown at number 9, we have Canva AI. Creating professional designs used to require years of formal training, right? Or a hefty budget to hire an expert. Well, not anymore. Canva AI replaces all that complex software by letting you generate stunning presentations, engaging social media posts, thumbnails, and full-scale marketing materials with just a few simple text prompts. It truly democratizes design, keeping your money right where it belongs.
Coming in at number 3 is Midjourney. This is a true visual powerhouse. If you need stunning artwork, highly specific marketing images, or unique conceptual designs, Midjourney generates incredible visuals in seconds just from simple text prompts. It completely eliminates your need to buy expensive, generic stock photo subscriptions, which, by the way, average around $30 to $50 a month alone, or commission custom illustrations from expensive artists. The output is practically indistinguishable from high-end professional photography or digital art.
Our number 2 tool overall is Runway. For anyone working with video, this is an absolutely massive time saver. Runway uses advanced AI to let you edit videos, instantly remove backgrounds without a green screen, generate complex visual effects, and create professional-looking content in mere minutes. What used to take hours of painstaking, frame-by-frame editing in high-end software can now be done with a click. It saves creators just an immense amount of money and tedious labor.
Stepping back to number 5 on our countdown, let's talk about audio with 11 Labs. If you have ever tried to hire voice actors for YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, or ads, you know it gets very expensive very fast. 11 Labs saves you that expense entirely by generating highly realistic, incredibly natural-sounding AI voices. You get professional, studio-quality voiceovers on demand, drastically cutting your production costs.
All right, moving on to category 3, research and organization hubs. At number 7, we have Perplexity AI. Think about how much time you waste endlessly digging through dozens of websites on Google, dodging pop-up ads, reading endless articles just trying to find a simple, reliable answer. Well, Perplexity completely frees you from that frustrating cycle. It acts as a 24/7 AI research assistant, giving you direct, comprehensive answers instantly. And crucially, it cites its sources with clickable footnotes so you can verify the information immediately. It basically synthesizes the entire web for you.
Number 6 is Notion AI. This is an incredible time saver for students, professionals, and business owners who are looking to optimize their busy, chaotic schedules. It's not just a digital workspace anymore. The AI layer actively helps you organize notes, pull action items right out of messy text, structure your thoughts, and even draft content right where you work. So the really crucial point here is that Notion AI tackles all of these tasks simultaneously. It organizes your notes, summarizes lengthy meeting transcripts into quick bullet points, creates actionable task lists, and writes content. Instead of using 4 different paid apps to manage your life, this centralized AI handles it all, saving you hours every single week in your daily grind.
And finally, section 4, the ultimate integrated workflow. Taking the number 1 spot on our list is Google Gemini. Why number 1? Because it's the ultimate tool that lives right inside the ecosystem you probably already use every single day. The friction of adopting new AI is completely removed when the AI is built directly into the very fabric of your digital workspace. By working directly inside your existing apps, Gemini acts as a massive force multiplier. It integrates with Google Docs to help you write faster, enhances Gmail by actually drafting responses for you, analyzes complex data right inside Google Sheets, and automates your everyday tasks. You get all this incredible AI power without ever having to leave your established workflow or pay for a specialized third-party application. It is pure, seamless efficiency.
And this brings us to the core message of this explainer. Stop paying for tools you don't need. Ultimately, replacing expensive software subscriptions and halting the outsourcing of simple tasks with these 10 AI tools is the absolute easiest way to keep that extra $1,000 a year in your bank account. It's all about working smarter, not harder, and definitely not more expensively.
I want to leave you with this final thought to explore on your own. Looking back at everything we've covered today, from ChatGPT to Gemini, which of these AI tools are you most excited to try first? Think about which one will transform your workflow immediately and start saving you money today. Get out there, test them out, and take control of your time and your budget. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer.